Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Vista Academy of Visual and Performing Arts, aka VAPA, here in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District, home of the Bulldogs. And I just got done sharing my heart for a final visit for this school year to the AM/PM students and staff here in the PAC. And another beautiful afternoon. Today's assembly focus was icebreakers. The sub-theme was fun team building games. And what you see on the screen, even though some students think it's a mountain or a chicken nugget, it's actually an iceberg. And the line you see at the top is representing the water level. And we know icebergs generally are about 10% above, 90% below. But the goal and the life lessons behind the activities that we did today was all about trying to lower that water line, right? To be 100% real. Because what we show usually is just the superficial stuff that's on the surface, that 10%. But we hide our real feelings, our fears, our dreams, our goals, our hopes, everything. And if we're able to finally be ourselves, 100% ourselves, be fully alive, present, etc., there's a certain freedom in that, right? And our true friends are going to accept us if we do show the real self, right? And it's not easy because you could be afraid that you're going to get made fun of, or people are going to talk behind your back or tease you, bully you. And yes, that's true, it could happen. But the risk of that is not as great as the potential reward, right? Where you can just truly be who you are. And so many times we put that mask on or that costume, kind of like the Dizzy Mummy activity that we did with the toilet paper, or the elephant march, the nylons tights on the head with the tennis ball, trying to knock over the water bottles. But the goal is, if we can take off that costume, take off that mask, it takes too much energy to be someone that you're not, right? And we want to be ourselves because everyone else is taken, and we're each unique and beautiful, and we have to remember that. And that ties into the concept that I bring up in every talk that I give, that we're all true miracles, right? And the shirt that I wore for this program today, the miracle on the front of the shirt, that's what the lines on our hands stand for. M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that, now it's up to us to go be that light to other people's hearts around us. Try to make our community, where we live, where we grow up, where we interact with others, try to make it the best place possible. And we have to also be able to discern right from wrong, and what true beauty really is, right? Because so many times, like the face the cookie with the Oreo that we had on our forehead, or the nosedive, the cotton ball on our nose with the petroleum jelly, sometimes things are right in our face, constantly being bombarded almost 24/7 by social media, the internet, our phones, our tablets, our computers, the TV, internet, etc. The list goes on. But if we're able to really kind of understand and look at what the truth is, right? Which is that all of us are beautiful just the way we are, and that our real friends will see us for that. There's a lot of opinions out there, not all of them matter. What matters is what we believe and what our real friends, best friends, see in us. And those are the people that are worth our time, right? That we want to spend more time with. But at the same time, the ones that don't show us that love, we can always choose to rise above that hate and still hopefully try to change their hearts by showing them that compassion, that empathy, and trying to break the ice figuratively with them as well. So thanks for touching my heart. Another beautiful day here at VAPA. I hope to be back again in the future. Until then, we'll have a last great few weeks of 2025, 2026. Have an amazing summer break. And feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.